Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing an unboxing and first impression. Scandalous. That is right, my friends. Once again, I have returned to you, this time with an unboxing and first impressions. And the fragrance I will be unboxing and first impressioning on is the new Amen flanker, Phantasm. Bonkers. I thought you was dead. And not just Thierry Mugler. Amen. I thought Amen was dead. But it turns out they decided to do a madness and release a perfume after 4 years. Maybe even 5. I can't remember when. Ultimate? Fuck knows. It was shit. It was fucking awful. So the less said about that, the better. But this I wanted to try because, my friends, this has come out of the blue. So, because it hasn't been released in the UK as we speak, I had to use a contact, thank you Pradeep, who bought it from a discounter. It's been out about 3 weeks. It's already on discounters in France. Who bought it from a discounter in France and very kindly sent it to me. So here I am, and here we are, with the brand new Amen Phantasm. If I don't sound as excited as I sometimes do for a new perfume, that's because I do not have great hopes. L'Oreal have taken over the license and they promptly butchered Amen and all of its flankers before they discontinued them. Only Ultimate and Amen Original have been available, and only from the website, in the last few years, until they decided to release this. And I have no faith in L'Oreal, to be honest. They are where perfumes go to die, you know? They're a bad producer, because they actually make the things, you know? Not to worry. Here we go then. Usually I take the cellophane off before I unbox, before I do the videos, but not today. Not today, Satan. Not today. Oh, bollocks. In the bin with you. Thank you. Let's have a look here. Open. You've got your box. They're still doing the Mugler circle thing, allegedly. I don't know if anybody's still into that, but it was a thing back in the day. I don't know if it still is. I don't know if it'll come with any literature. Amen, of course, one of the great perfume lines of all time, you know. Some of the great fucking flankers and stuff. Fragcom, fucking hype beast before Fragcom turned to shit, with everybody getting sent free fucking bottles of shite niche perfume. Well, not everybody, you know. Like, you and me don't get sent free bottles. Not that I would accept one. But because I don't consider myself a influencer. I'm a punter. A buyer of fragrance. An enjoyer. Not somebody who has codes in the description or fucking any of that other perverse shit that they fucking do and then try and tell you about how great things are so you should spend your money, but they didn't have to spend theirs. Very easy to spend somebody else's money, you know? So, Amen. Bottle, standard. Not quite the way it used to be that I remember. Spray is still going to be hideous. Yep. But you are not allowed to own Amen if you cannot use the sprayer properly, so let's see if I am still worthy. Yes, I am. That's sprayed on now. We will read the notes. Amen Phantasm by Mugler is an amber aromatic gourmand fragrance for men. The scent opens with an explosion of citrus and luminous notes of bergamot essence, contrasted by the spicy freshness of pink pepper. The heart features an intense, mysterious accord of Grand Cru dark chocolate, enhanced by clary sage and modernized patchouli. That's terrifying. Modernized patchouli. The fragrance is housed in a black bottle adorned with a silver star. No shit. Capturing the essence of the masculine pleasure. Well, I don't hate it. There's something amen-y about it, but it's light. It's considerably lighter than it used to be. Considering I'm spraying this on the 22nd of June, by the way. There's darkness, there's no tar. No tar. No tar. They've got rid of that outrageous tar note, which is just really upsetting if you're into fucking amen like I am. Lots of chocolate, lots of vanilla. Ooh, something else about this perfume. Fuckers have doubled the price. It used to be £49. It's now €110. Disgusting. That's at retail. It used to be £49 at retail. Can you imagine such a world? Bonkers. Bonkers, mate. Bonkers. Excuse me whilst I hydrate. I don't really get much citrus. There is a lightness at the top, but then it settles into this vanillic, chocolatey, it's definitely got chocolate, sagey, patchouli. It is what it says it is. It's ambery, it's gourmand, it's vanillic, it's chocolatey. I don't hate it at all. I've got some absolutely incredible chocolatey fragrances, you know. I wouldn't be surprised if this did well. I wouldn't be surprised if this did well. There's no amber woods that I can sense at the minute. It's a fair fucking play for that, thank God. I mean, this is just a first impression, so you could get a video of a shot of me screaming into the void as I am consumed by fucking amber woods later on. But no, I don't hate this, but it is light. It's got like a chocolate ice cream. You know, Neapolitan. Imagine if you didn't like strawberry and you just had a scoop of vanilla and chocolate from a Neapolitan ice cream. That's what it's like. It's nice, but it's just nice. I will come back to you, friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon.